It's just too hard to move when you're standing right there. It's just too hard to walk away and leave it like that. Can we give it one?
Hey, what's up guys, this is Hemant Raj here, and today we're gonna check out how you can set up the Android 11 onto your PC. With that being said, if you end up liking this video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's begin the show. To start up with, first go to the link in the description and go to the Android Studio and simply download that, and once you have downloaded that, simply click on the installation and that should start up the Android Studio installation onto your PC. Once you're loaded up with the setup, it should look something like this. So simply go ahead and click on next and click on next and choose up the destination where the Android Studio has to be installed and click on next and install up the Android Studio onto your PC. So once you're done with that, you can simply launch the Android Studio, and once you are launched up with the Android Studio, it will be asking whether you want to import the settings or you wanna just leave it. So simply click on do not import settings and click on OK, and that should start up the Android Studio. So first up, you'll be having a pretty small files that are to be downloaded for the successful starting of the Android Studio. So it will be around 2.4 KB or so. Simply activate the internet connection and that should do its job. So once you're done with that, you are into the Android Studio. So simply run through the setup. It's pretty simple. So you can choose up the standard Android Studio version and choose up the theme that is required. So I will go with the light theme because it's pretty good. So next up, click on next and choose up the settings. So I'm just gonna leave it to default and click on finish. And that should download up some sort of files that are the SDK managers that are essential for the Android Studio to run successfully. So once you're done with that, you'll be booted up into this Android Studio. Right up there in the bottom, click on that gear button and you'll have list of options. So right up there, select up the AVD manager, that is the Android Virtual Device Manager. So right up there, click on create virtual device, and it will be having an option to choose up the hardware. So right in here, you have different sort of categories to choose up. So if you go to the phone, you have different sort of phones, right from the Pixel XL to the Pixel 3a and to the bottom line Nexus. So you can choose up between the Play Store version as well as the non-Play Store version of the same. So I am going up with the Pixel 3 XL. So next up, you're gonna choose up the image. So I'm gonna choose up the Android R, that is the Android 11. So go ahead and accept up the conditions for the download, and the download should begin. The file is pretty large in size. It's about 1.1 GB and it should take up a bit of time if your internet is a bit slow. So make sure you stay with patience until the complete process is done. And let the process be done. So once the process is done, here you have the Android R image. Select it and click on next and verify up the configurations of the device that you have set up. You can also choose up right up here in the last options, and click on finish, and that should configure up the complete Android virtual device. So here you have the Android virtual device that you have created right in now. So click on the play button right next to the name, and that should launch the emulator. So in the first boot, it might take a bit of time, so make sure you stay until the process is done. So once you're booted up successfully, right up here you can see the Pixel is now starting up. Within a few minutes, you are good to use the phone. So you can scroll up and go to the settings and check out for the Android version. So it will be definitely the Android 11. There you go, the Android 11. It's pretty cool. So I have installed up the non-Play Store version, so you don't have access to sign into the Google account. If you install up the Play Store version of the same, you'll be having like access to everything. Well, that's pretty much it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Hemant Raj signing out for now, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.